In a sunlit kitchen, a beloved grandmother's Pajeon recipe comes alive, a family staple born from rainy weekends. Begin by whisking cool rice flour with water, then fold in scallions, shrimp, and a pinch of salt. Let the batter rest as the pan heats, a patient trick that yields crisp edges and soft centers. Pour a thin layer, flip confidently, and serve with dipping soy, sesame oil, and a splash of vinegar. The dish teaches patience and community, inviting stories from grandparents while inviting beginners to taste history together today.